how to edit your welcome page on your Wix website. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now go to your welcome page. It's the second one after the header. Click on edit. Now as you can see, you can change the title, the subtitle, and you can change the picture right here. As you can see, you have also many options to change right here. You can change the image capacity. I'm gonna make it like this, and you can also choose any effect here. And after you finish, it will be updated. You have many options. You can change the photo from here or adjust it from here, and many more options. As you can see, you can add filters to your photo. It's so good and I like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.